Hi everyone. Welcome back to another episode of PODCLASS English, where we help you practice and improve your English through real-life conversations. Today's episode is a fun one. We're going to role-play a common situation, ordering food at a cafe or restaurant. You'll hear how to ask for a menu, how to order your favorite dish, and what to say if you have any special requests. So whether you're a beginner or just want to brush up on your casual conversation skills, this episode is perfect for you. Let's get started. So let's imagine we've just walked into a cafe. The place is cozy, and we're greeted by a friendly server. Let's dive into the conversation.
Hi there. Welcome to the cafe. How many people are in your group today?
Hello, it's just 2 of us today.
Great. Would you prefer to sit inside or outside on the patio?
Let's sit inside. The weather's a bit hot today.
Absolutely. I'll set up a table for you right here. Please follow me.
Okay, so this is how a typical greeting might go. The server asks, "How many people are in your group today?" You can respond with "just 2 of us," or whatever number matches your party size. Then you might be asked where you'd like to sit. It's always nice to have an option between indoor and outdoor seating. Okay, let's continue.
Here are the menus. Can I get you started with something to drink?
Yes, I'd like an iced coffee, please. And do you have any fresh juices today?
Yes, we have fresh orange juice and watermelon juice.
I'll go with the iced coffee for now. I might try the juice later.
Great. I'll be right back with your drink.
In this part of the conversation, the server asks, "Can I get you started with something to drink?" Which is a polite way to ask for your drink order. You might hear this at many cafes and restaurants. I ordered an iced coffee, but I was curious if they had fresh juice, so I asked, "Do you have any fresh juices today?" Feel free to ask about special items or drinks. Servers are usually happy to tell you what's available. Okay, move forward.
Hey, sorry I'm late. Have you ordered yet?
No, not yet. I was just checking out the menu. Want to take a look?
Sure. Everything looks so good. What are you thinking of getting?
I'm thinking about trying their signature burger. It comes with fries or a salad.
Here are your drinks. Have you had a chance to decide on your food?
Yes, I think I'll go with the signature burger. Could you tell me what kind of sauce comes with it?
It comes with our house-made garlic aioli. It's quite popular.
Sounds good. I'll have the burger with fries.
I'll have the grilled chicken sandwich with a side salad, please.
Great. Anything else for you?
No, that'll be all for now. Thanks. We've moved on to ordering food in this part of the conversation. Notice how I asked about the sauce that comes with the burger. Could you tell me what kind of sauce comes with it? This is a useful phrase to ask for details about the menu. If you're unsure about anything, ask the server questions like, "What's in this dish?" or "Does it come with a side?" This helps avoid surprises when your food arrives.
So how's work been lately?
Pretty busy, but I'm managing. How about you?
Same here. I've been juggling a couple of projects, but I'm excited for the weekend. Planning on trying out a new hiking trail.
Oh, that sounds like fun. I haven't been hiking in a while.
You should join next time.
Yeah, maybe I will. I could use the exercise. While you're waiting for your food, it's common to have casual conversations like this. Notice how we use some small talk to catch up. Talking about work, weekend plans, or hobbies are all great ways to keep the conversation going while you wait. It helps pass the time and makes the meal more enjoyable. Okay, let's move.
Here's your burger with fries and your grilled chicken sandwich with a side salad. Is there anything else I can get for you?
Actually, could I get a little more ketchup, please?
Of course, I'll bring that right out.
This looks amazing. Can't wait to dig in.
Yeah, it smells great. Let's eat. So, our food just arrived, and as you can see, I made a small request for more ketchup. A simple, polite way to ask for something extra is to say, "Could I get?" You could use this for anything. More water, another napkin, or an extra side of sauce. It's a polite and effective way to get what you need without interrupting the meal. Okay, move on.
How was everything? Can I get you anything else? Dessert or coffee?
Everything was great, thanks. But I think we're all set.
Yeah, that was good.
Glad to hear it. Here's your bill whenever you're ready. You can pay at the counter, or I can take it here.
I'll pay right here, thanks.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. So that's it for today's episode. We've gone through the whole process of ordering food at a cafe, from greeting the server to paying the bill. Hopefully you've learned some useful phrases and tips along the way. The next time you're out at a restaurant or cafe, you'll feel confident in your English skills. As always, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode of PodClass English. Bye for now.